everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how to delete your Bereal post. Now to begin the process, open the application first. Once you open the application, you will be directed to this homepage over here. Here on this homepage, you will find all the posts that you have posted in your Bereal account. So what you need to do is you need to tap on the three dotted lines at the right side of your screen just above your post. You tap that and it will give you these options over here, and at the end you need to tap on delete my Bereal. Before deleting, you will need to provide a reason for why would you like to delete it. There are a few options available for you to choose from. I don't like my Bereal. There was an issue during capture. I cannot see anything on my Bereal. Bad content and other. So you can choose the reason for why you choose to delete it and then tap on delete my Bereal. It will delete the post from your page right away. So this is how you can delete your Bereal post. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you.